this like container of toys, his little sister. Just a bunch of jets. Just landed on this doll, and his sister babysits. She runs and he goes, "What are you fucking her? What are you fucking her?" It's like 7 years old.
That's awesome. That's awesome. Where's she now?
Like I was, but I fell out of the bus.
She had steel-colored painted nails, like not silver. They were listening to "Bark of the Moon" by Ozzy Osbourne. Savage.
She's like, I'm back here trying to get blasted. Get blasted. I'm sorry, that wasn't drunk. No, I didn't make.
Wow.
Buddy. Yeah, get him. Fucking get him.